Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to return an item on Amazon. In this video, I'm returning an item on the Canadian Amazon website, but I believe the process should be similar on the US website. So I purchased this Fitbit replacement wristband, but it just wasn't fitting on my Fitbit Surge. So unfortunately, I had to return it, and this is actually the first time I've had to return an item. So log into your Amazon account, and under your account section, choose your orders. It's going to bring you to this page. Click on your orders, and it'll display all your orders. This is the item that I want to return. Click on the Return Items button, and use this drop-down menu, and then choose a reason why you're returning it. And in this box down below, enter the details. Next, click on the Continue button. Now, I paid using my Amazon gift card balance, so it's indicating that it'll be refunded to my Amazon account. You will then see various options for returning the package. I'm going to go with the Canada Post option, and then click the Confirm Your Return button. You will then have to print a prepaid mailing label. Make sure to read the instructions, and this is what my label looks like. And this label will go on the package. And there is another barcode label that needs to go inside the package. And finally, make sure that you send the package. If you go back to your orders section, you can click on this button to track your refund, but that's pretty much it. It's a fairly simple process. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.